How to remove Meta AI on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, you would have to uninstall your Facebook application on your mobile device. Simply uninstall your current version of Facebook so we can download the APK for the older version. So after that, you would have to search for Facebook APK on your browser. You can do it on your mobile device quite easily, but make sure that you are downloading the APK from a trusted source because it is quite important. After you open up any of the platform where you can get the APK, go for the older version. Don't go for the latest version. Simply open up the older version of Facebook and search for any version which is from the early May. And you would be able to get the Facebook when the Meta AI was not there, and this way you would be able to download this particular version of Facebook and install it on your device. After that, you won't be able to find Meta AI, and this is the only way currently in order to get rid of the Meta AI. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.